Hey, how you doing? Justin here to show you around the new strumming machine. Super exciting. Basically, you can create strumming patterns in this little player here in the middle and listen to what they sound like. Now, I'd recommend that you start here with this metronome turned on so that you can hear the beats pretty clearly. Let's just do an example here. If we've got a down strum on beat 1, 2, the and after 2, the and after 3, and beat 4, some of you might know that as Old Faithful, we can hear what it sounds like. But we could say, hey, what if we want to hear the and after the 4? Ah, no, I didn't like it on 2. Let's try that. So you can get totally creative here with the patterns that you hear. Now, at the moment, all of the patterns are in 4/4, but we're working on more coming soon. We've got acoustic guitar, electric guitar, and more coming soon. But on the acoustic guitar, let's stay with that for a while. You can choose from the basic kind of beginner chord. So we might say, let's do it in D minor, the same pattern. Maybe you don't want that and after that. Maybe you just want something a little bit more sparse, something like that. And to start off with, I'd suggest you're probably going to start with the strum on beat 1, because as soon as you take that away, things can get a little bit confusing if you do something like that. Especially if the metronome's off. You're going to start hearing that as beat 1. So I would suggest at the beginning that you have beat 1 on and probably the metronome as well. If you want to get real fancy with it, you can also add a voice count. If you're not exactly sure about where you are in the bar or something like that and you want to add voice count, you'll hear my dulcet tones talking along with you. 1 and 1 and 1. Oh, let's try it. 1, 2. You'll actually hear me speak the pattern out as well. It's a bit much maybe with the metronome as well. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. So really creative tool, fun idea to explore there. Let's just say we had that pattern. We can save it and you can name that pattern the test pattern, confirm, and that'll go over to our library, which I'll take you through in a sec. So basically, finish on this screen, we go acoustic guitar, electric guitar. Electric is just a little bit crunchier. 1 and 4, 1. Still shouldn't be like, it's not distorted, but a bit crunchy. Now on the library, this is where your favorited patterns will appear, but also we've got these popular patterns. And you've got loads of different presets. I'm adding to this all the time, but this is just the ones that I came up with as a starting point. A link to my Strumming SOS course, which is everything that you might want to know about strumming, and links to the free lessons that we've got around the site as well, and the instructions, which will be this very video, a chance to give me some feedback as well if you like it. But most of the business end of this thing is going to be here on the player. You can, of course, share as well, and it'll copy a link to that strumming pattern if you want to share with your friend, hey, this is the strumming pattern we use for this song or that song, and of course the old reset button. Lots of fun to be had here. I really hope you enjoy it.